That really spoke to me, that when you're in alignment, every core of your being calls you to what you want to eat. So yesterday...
Or where you want to be, or what
Right.
you want to say, or how you want to feel, or where you want to go. In other words, it calls you to everything that you have previously identified as wonderful experience.
Or what you want to wear, or who you want to talk to, or what you want to say, all those things. So I was called to order some mussels in Belgium yesterday, and it came in this gigantic pot. And it was so delicious. And not only that, but it came with the side of French fries that I didn't know that I really wanted until Diane had some, and she shared them with me, and they were so good. And I thought, oh, I'd love to have that whole plate that she's eating. And when I ordered my mussels, they came with them as a complimentary side. And it was the perfect combination of dipping the fries in the juice of the mussels and just savoring every single bite. And then I had plenty to share, so then I got to let other people share in the deliciousness of the mussels. And it just kept getting better and better. Every one tasted better than the one before, and it just kept expanding and expanding until I was satisfied, and I just felt I could die then and I'd be the happiest girl in the world.
If you died then, you'd be happier than any girl in the world.
Yeah. You're right. And so the same thing last night at dinner, I had this delicious nap, and I felt I was really tired when I got in, which I was feeling good to take a nap. And so then I slept, and I had beautiful sleep and beautiful dreams, and I woke up just in time to get ready and go to dinner again. And I called for the fish, and it came with grapes, and I never had fish and grapes, and it was so good. And I couldn't believe, I thought, wow, who thought of this? And I'm thinking my inner being thought of this because I'm enjoying it so much. And it just, when you said that, it feels, the word magic almost comes to mind, because it just feels like we have this power of calling to us things that we don't even know that we want. And then when we get them, you just feel so magical.
Well, the nice thing about a series of manifestations like you were describing, now we want to talk about this because this was the very thing that we were talking about earlier. Someone listening from the outside of that, or watching someone else have an experience that they seem to be feeling that way, could not understand it in the way that you do from the inside. And here's what we mean by that. When you have deliberately aligned, you deliberately meditate, you deliberately tune your vibration, you deliberately care for your relationship between you and your inner being, and you are then privy to the beginning of the thoughts turning to things. When these full-blown manifestations happen, the satisfaction factor, because you see, you've put all of that into the vortex, and your inner being has been enjoying the exploration of your desires long before, in every case, long before you let yourself in on it. But when you finally do let yourself in on it, it would be, this is a scanty analogy, but it's sort of like the satisfaction a parent feels when they watch one of their children achieve some important milestone. Because the milestone that they are achieving in this moment is not about this moment in time and in the way that they're being rewarded. It's about every moment that that parent has loved and nurtured and watched and wanted for that child. And so this moment is so much more. In other words, other people go to your children's graduation and they think, yeah, when's this thing going to be over? But I came because I should be here. How many kids are in this damn class? But when you are watching this manifestation, because you've been in on it so incrementally, now when this manifestation occurs, you explode. It's as if every harmonic point that you achieved along the way is now exploding exponentially in this moment. And that's why when you talk about these moments, we feel the sincerity of you, and everyone else who wasn't inside of your moments and eating with you is thinking you're way
Crazy.
too excited about food.
And that's okay.
Yeah, we just want you to understand that that's why everything is personal. Everything is personal. And we also, in these days that we are together, we want you to enjoy alignment, because alignment is alignment. Enjoy alignment. Enjoy milking the contents of your vibrational reality as much as you can. Get in harmony. But by milking it, we don't mean getting all the way to the manifestation of it. We mean enjoying the journey to the manifestation of it. Each and every idea that comes to you is pleasurable, 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 pleasurable. And then when it explodes into the manifestation, that's when everything that is non-physical is joining you in your self-discovery of your power, of what others want to call magic. It feels like we're making a big deal out of French fries, but your inner being makes a big deal out of everything that you desire. And when you come into concert with it, and when you practice being in concert with it, and that just becomes the way you live, then everywhere you go, magic is happening around you.
I like that you said self-discovery, because you had mentioned something about it's not remembering who you really are. It's the process of discovering it in the now. And that's what that rang true to me. It felt so good, because it feels like a discovery along the way, kind of like a scavenger hunt, where you're just converging here with your inner being and converging there with your inner being.
But you see, you got to remember, you led your inner being to all of this. The contrast that you lived, you are the leader in this. Your inner being is the support. Your inner being is the steady focus. Your inner being is the guiding light. In other words, once you identify it, your inner being will call you to it, incessantly, continually call you to it. And depending upon where you are on the emotional scale, if you're in despair, your inner being is still calling you. It just sounds different to you than when you're in elation or appreciation or even hopefulness.
I like that when you talked about that, because the experience of when you're on the lower part of the scale, if somebody's having an experience where they feel overwhelmed or frustration or despair, you said it could sound like revenge. And so it was soothing to me, because I had a friend that was going through just a little bit of contrast, and she was feeling despair, and she had thoughts of revenge. And it made me really get it a little bit better than I kind of could have thought of. When you said that, it just made me really understand it more, and I love to understand it.
It'll help you with others, anyone around you. If you see someone up close to you, or even at a distance, as you are seeing it through the media, as you see anyone behaving in a way that you would rather that they did not, you could soothe yourself by saying, their inner being is calling them from where they are. And what I am now witnessing in their behavior is what that inner being calling them is playing out to be, because of where they are. But there's something about acknowledging that they too have an inner being, and they too are being called. And here's the best words for you to offer. They too are doing the best that they can do from where they are, because you are where you are. Anyone is where they are. Oh, it's just so nice once you begin to garner and maintain control of your own emotional state of being, and understand what it means. I'm in sync. I'm blended with not only my inner being, not only the source within me, but I'm blended with my pre-birth intentions and my, since I've been here in this physical body, intentions. There is such extraordinary value in the harmony that is indicated to you by positive emotion, that if we were standing in your physical shoes, it would be our dominant everyday, all-day quest. Today, no matter where I'm going, no matter what I'm doing, it is my dominant intent to look for things that feel good to me. Yeah.
This is the perfect environment for that. Thank you very much.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed.